Hi everyone, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today we're going to start a whole new project and I think it'll be fun. It's a small folio, and this is the first one that I made, and it has a little flap here with a pocket. This opens up and you have a three pocket thing here. This has 3 pockets there. You open it up and you have the same 3 on this side. In the middle here is a pocket with a journaling card, and I also have left this open so you could slip something in there. And then this flips up and you have a belly band, and in the belly band I have a large coin envelope, and then in the center is this pocket for something a little larger, maybe a large journaling tag, or possibly slip a little notebook or something like that in there. So anyway, I thought it was cute. You know, it's not real big. There's not a lot of, flippy floppies going every which way that, I don't know about you, but those kind of confuse me sometimes. So yeah, and then the back is just plain. You could put a pocket or something, but I don't know. I think pockets on the back tend to kind of get snagged up and stuff. So anyway, so this is it. It's pretty simple. And the best thing about it is, ta-da, drum roll please, there is a template. So there's a template for this. It has, I believe, 9 pages. 1 page you print twice, so it would be 10 altogether. And there's the coin envelope. Here is that journaling card, the whole thing right here. That is this right here. So there is the pocket, and then there's a backing. I don't know if you can see it very well because I used kind of pattern paper on both, but this is the backing, which is here. It's labeled backing. And then this is the library pocket card right there, and then this card is this one, and then of course the tab. Here's the 3 pockets, and they're all just, they're all sized correctly. This is the front and back, and then this is the little flip out. So you have the front and the back, which is here and here, and then this one is a flip out that you attach, which is right here. And this right here is this small little flip out with the pocket and the little tab all right there. Here is that center flap and the belly band. Here is those 2, 3 pocket wing things. So everything is labeled. They all have the fold lines or the score lines if you wanted to do that. Everything is right there for you. This is that big one in the middle that has the, you know, the tie thing. And these are the cards and the tabs that go here. So this is the tab, and then the tab that goes on there like that. And this one is the one that you do 2 of, because there's 2 of those pockets, right? And that's it. So yeah, 10 pages altogether. 1 page is printed twice. So what I did with this one is I printed these out just like this, and then I picked a digital kit that I wanted to use, and I put these sheets back into my printer and printed on this side the pages that I wanted. That turned out really well because, you know, this is already printed. These are printed. This is printed. So it was all printed onto the sheet itself. And I still could see this part where to cut and everything. Some pieces needed to be covered on the back side, and some didn't. I don't even know which ones now. Oh, well, this flip, this needed to be covered on both sides. This here needed to be covered on both sides, as you can see. But, you know, there was just a few. So what I did is I took, like, I think 3. I printed 3 sheets of this digital kit on just plain copy paper, so I could use for lining. You also need something to line, you know, the inside of the cover here. You need something to line that, and the inside of this flap, you need something to line that. So I printed 3 pages on just plain copy paper to use to line. And that worked well. So that is something you can totally do. You know, if you have digital kit that you like. One thing that I didn't like about it is that, you know, you don't have a choice of, you know, 2 different designs, right? So like this page, this is going to have 1 design for all these elements. Sometimes that worked out fine. Other times, you know, not so much. So yeah, but that is a way to go. It sure cuts down on the amount of glue and cutting and everything else doing it that way. So this digital kit, it's called William Morris, and I want to say it's Artie Mays, but I'm not sure. But it's William Morris. If you want to look that up on Etsy, that's what this kit was that I used. And I only used the pages. I didn't print any of the ephemera. I just printed, you know, the full pages. This template is new from my Pink Monarch. What is it? Pink Monarch, isn't it? I don't know. I will totally have it linked below, of course. So you can go out to Etsy and get this template if you want. Or you can make your own based on, you know, the sizes of this. I mean, I can give some measurements and some, you know, might be a little trickier for you if you're making it yourself, but you don't have to make it exactly like this either. You know what I mean? You could take the concept and totally, you know, do your own thing. But so many of these folios I've seen done have so many flips and stuff added to it, and they're folded in such a way, and I don't know about you, but I get confused sometimes. And I saw this one done and I thought, you know, this one is pretty simple. I don't think people are going to get overly confused doing this one, and with the template and everything, you know, laid out for you, it's pretty foolproof. I didn't do any decorating, as you can see on this one. This is just how it printed. I didn't do any kind of decorating because I wanted you to see, you know, the actual item. I do have another kit that I have printed, and this one is, I printed pretty much the full kit. This, oh, and here's more of that one. These are the ones I'm going to use. These are the ones I wanted to keep separate to show you. So this is also from my, I want to say My Porch Prints, but I'm sure I saw the word Pink Monarch, so I've confused myself. But no worries. I will get, you know, I will have the link below that's going to the right place if you want this. And this is a kit that she had. I think it's called Whistling Woods. That doesn't seem right, but yeah, here, Pink Monarch Prints. That's what it is. Pink Monarch Prints. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I will have a link below to this Digi Kit if you're interested. It's very pretty. It's very pretty. I thought it would be fun to use. I'm not able to get my printer, the settings of my printer to go borderless. I don't know why. Some things I can choose the option of borderless, and other things I can't, and I haven't really discovered what the difference is. But anyway, these I couldn't do borderless, which is a problem when I'm using this for a journal because I want full page. But for this project, it'll be fine. So what I was going to do this time around, instead of printing on the back, I am just going to cut these out, and then I'm going to go through here and decide what I want where. So either way you choose to do it is fine. But yeah, so this will be fun. I'm excited to start this project with you guys, and I hope everyone enjoys this. And yeah, it's a pretty simple one, and you know what? It might make a good Father's Day gift, perhaps. You know, depending on the Digi Kit that you use or the papers that you use. you know, it could be fun. You know, I just had another thought. If you print out these templates and cut them out and then use double-sided paper from a scrapbook pad and use these templates to then cut out the pieces from a double-sided scrapbook pad, you know, you wouldn't have to do any, you know, gluing and cutting of paper. It would already, you know, be decorated. And then you can also have control over, you know, what paper you use to cut out each piece, if that makes sense. So that's another option. If you have a double-sided scrapbook pad that you would love to use, that maybe you just got and it's so pretty and you don't know what to do with it, maybe this would be a good project for that. And like I said, you know, depending on the papers and stuff that you choose, perhaps a Father's Day gift, who knows. Anyway, so, or, you know, any kind of gift, Father's Day, or, you know, any kind of gift to give to somebody. So I think it'll be fun. So anyway, thanks for joining me, and make sure and subscribe and hit that little button so you see when the next part of this series comes up, and you can join along. We can craft together, or you can watch first, and you know, however you want to do it. So make sure to subscribe, hit the little button so you're notified. Normally my videos come up on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Sometimes I'll have a third one in there somewhere if it's something special or something real quick that I want to show. But typically it's Tuesdays and Thursday or Saturdays. So you're not going to get inundated with, you know, all these videos coming up daily or, you know, several times a day, whatever, you know, like some of them do. Yeah, you're not going to get inundated with notifications of new videos twice a week. I think that's good. Anyway, so until the next time, take care of you, love each other, and I'll see you again. Bye.